Hi, my name is Manuel and now I'm going to present the last part of my project about Persepolis. In the index, I'm going to talk about Martin Satrapi, the review, the plot, the main characters, the major theme, and the conflicts. Martin Satrapi is the writer of Persepolis. She was born in November in 1969, the 22nd. Was born in Iran. Her parents were Marxists. She lived during the revolution in 1979 when the Muslim fundamentalism took power. She was very close to her uncle, but he got executed. He was a political prisoner. In 1983, she went to Vienna to study, and she came back to Iran and studied communication. She lives in Paris with her husband. She speaks 6 languages, and she's famous because of her autobiographical novels. And the review about Persepolis is, for me, the most amazing thing of this book called Persepolis is how the writer managed to tell a very important part of the history of Iran in an extremely interesting way. She created a cartoon in order to catch the reader's attention. Miss Atrapi really knows how to recreate history events so that the reader gets involved in these traumatic incidents. She has the ability to express the different and most deeply disturbing circumstances that happen in her country, considering that all of them affected not only her family but many of her best friends and relatives. It is really impressive the way her country had to overcome these terrible issues during all of these conflicts. Drawing all the images in black and white transmits the sorrow and pain that many people had to suffer during the revolution. Certain parts are drawn with very simple and effortless figures because maybe Satrapi wanted to highlight the messages in each bubble or vignette and make the reader pay attention to the relevance of the most important events in the story. Now I'm going to talk about the plot. All of these issues clearly demonstrate that those years were not easy for anyone. Many people were deeply affected with the Iranian Revolution, which took place in 1979. Moreover, the population, principally the middle class, suffered the horrors and constraints of the specific time when the Muslim fundamentalism took the power. Now I'm going to talk about the main characters. So we found Margin's mother, her grandma that needed a lot because they were very poor when Margin's mother was young. Then is Margin's father. He used to take pictures of the revolutions. Then there's Margin. She's the main character. She likes to read. She wanted to be a prophet, but then she got involved in politics and she went to study to Vienna. Then there is Anush, her favorite uncle, came back from prison, but then he got executed, and because he was a secret agent, and he got arrested. Then she believed her grandpa was a prince, but he also was a prisoner and got killed. These were all their main characters, not the Shah, the one that started the regiment, but then he left Iran. Then there is Mary. She was like a sister to Margin. She was their maid and she was illiterate. And something very important is that many people during the regiment got tortured and they were prisoners. So one of these were some of the people that were close to their family. That was Siam Magjari and Mohsen Shakiba. Now I'm going to talk about the main team. The main theme, the political changes affected everything in Iran from the family's life to education and in general their whole lifestyle. The main theme of the book is the education because before the revolution they attended non-religious schools and they could learn other languages. After and during the regime, everything changed. They were in bilingual schools, they had dress codes, girls had to wear the veil, boys and girls were separated, they needed to learn everything and be very religious. Now the general conflicts that happened during the book. Boys and girls were separated and had to study in different schools. Girls needed to wear the veil. Their hair could not be seen. Bilingual schools were not allowed. Difference between social classes. Everyone celebrated when the Shah left the country. Prisoners were tortured and executed. If people were against the regime, they would be arrested. The fundamentalists occupied the US Embassy. Everyone had to change their dress code. Arabs attacked and invaded Iran. Supermarkets had no groceries, they did not have gasoline, boys had to be soldiers and they received a key that would allow them to go to heaven. This only happened in poor families. Whenever the siren sounded, everyone went to the basement to protect themselves. No one could be against the regiment because they would be executed. The borders were closed for 3 years. They needed permissions for a passport and it was very difficult to get one. The Iraqis sent missiles to Tehran. So Tehran is the main city where everything happens during the book. Oh, most of the time. To save her from the atrocities that were occurring, Margie's parents decided to send her to Austria. Her parents were sad that she was leaving the country, but they knew that it was the best option for her. So it was like my review and everything about the book Persepolis. Thank you.